Ellie the Elephant painted with care her jungle picture so bright and fair. A splash of green for the tallest trees, a dash of blue for a gentle breeze. But Ellie frowned with a worried sigh. The leaves look wrong, the sky's too high. She scrubbed and changed with all her might, till painting stopped feeling fun and light. Monty the Monkey swung on by. He saw Ellie's tears and wondered why. "Your picture's great," chirped Monty so bright. "The colors pop, the feeling's just right." Ellie sniffed. "It's messy, you see." Monty smiled. "But it's made by thee. Trying your best is what truly shines through. Don't let perfect steal the joy from you." Ellie then smiled, her heart felt light. Her painting was good, and that felt just right. Colors and shapes, a jungle so sweet. Her best was enough, her picture complete. Down by the river, with scales so bright, Sammy the Snake tried with all his might. Round and round his body did coil. Looping and swirling, he worked and he toiled. "This knot's too loose," Sammy did cry. "The perfect twist I just can't find, oh my!" His tail it flipped, his scales did gleam. Frustration bubbled like a grumpy stream. Monty hopped over with eyes so wide. "Your coils look awesome, filled with pride." Sammy looked up, a surprised little hiss. "But the perfect knot, it's the one that I miss." Monty then grinned. "Sometimes the best is trying your hardest, then taking a rest. Your coils are strong, your pattern's so grand. Being perfect isn't always what's planned." Sammy unfurled, a sigh filled the air. A smile crept in, chasing out despair. Maybe his knots weren't magazine neat, but they got the job done, and that felt so sweet. Up in the branches, Monty swung high, leaping and laughing way up in the sky. Swinging so fast with a joyful, bold shout, he aimed for the vine, but then he slipped out. Through leaves and branches, a startled tumble, landing with fur in a messy jumble. "My perfect swing," he mumbled so low. "I messed it all up with nowhere to go." But then as he sat, feeling grumpy and small, a tiny bird chirped with a friendly, sweet call. Its nest was lopsided, twigs all askew, but inside were eggs with feathers of blue. Monty then thought, with a brightening gaze, "My swing wasn't perfect, but that's just okay. The bird built a home, that's the best it could do. And I'll try again, that's what I'll see through." With a hop and a skip, his heart felt so light. Maybe perfect's not always the goal of a flight. Sometimes it's trying and getting back up. That's what matters most, filling your cup. So Monty with laughter swung back in the groove. His spirit uplifted, he found his smooth move. Ellie and Sammy, with joy in their hearts, learned that their efforts were their own unique arts. Together they gathered beneath the moon's glow, sharing their stories, letting their friendship grow. Perfection's not needed to shine or to thrive. It's our happy attempts that keep joy alive. So if ever you're worried your work isn't grand, just remember Monty, Ellie, and Sammy's band. They found happiness not in the perfect find, but in giving their best and being kind. With giggles and cheers, they danced in the night, under stars twinkling, oh so bright. Learning to love the good in their play made every moment a perfect day. And so ends our tale with a lesson so true. Doing your best is the best you can do. With love and laughter and friends so dear, every effort you make brings happiness.